हेलो बच्चों, वेलकम टू 5 फैक्टोरियल। आज हम इंट्रोडक्शन टू ट्रिग्नोमेट्री चैप्टर के प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस करने वाले हैं जो 2025 बोर्ड्स एग्जाम में पूछे गए हैं आपके। पहला क्वेश्चन क्या है मैथ्स में। देखो, सबसे पहले मैं आपको बता देती हूँ, मैथ्स में जो स्टूडेंट्स प्रॉब्लम फेस करते हैं सबसे ज़्यादा वो है टाइमिंग की। तो आपको क्वेश्चन देखते ही अगर आपको लग रहा है आपको क्वेश्चन आता है तो जस्ट सॉल्व इट एंड मूव अहेड, अगर नहीं आता तो लीव इट। मतलब पहले राउंड में आपको 2 राउंड्स तो एटलीस्ट मैथ्स के पेपर के करने हैं। पहले राउंड में जो क्वेश्चन देखते ही लग रहा है कि हो जाएंगे उन्हें करो, और सेकंड राउंड में जो आपने पहले राउंड में छोड़े हैं क्वेश्चन उनको अटैम्प्ट करो, और टाइम नहीं लेना है बिल्कुल भी। फॉर एग्जांपल आपके सामने ये क्वेश्चन आया कि इसमें से आपको बताना है कौन सी स्टेटमेंट फॉल्स है। ठीक है, tan 45 आपको पता है 1 = 1, sin 90 is 1 which is equals to tan 45 which is 1. Now sin 30 is 1/2 and cos 30 is √3/2. So both of them are not equal. Sin 45 and cos 45 1/√2 is equals to 1/√2. So option C is the right answer. Now second question, tan square A minus 1 upon cos square A. So tan square theta can be written as sin square theta. We'll use A over here. Tan square A is equals to sin square A upon cos square A. So tan square A minus 1 upon cos square A is equals to sin square A upon cos square A minus 1 upon cos square A, which is equals to sin square A minus 1 upon cos square A. बेस सेम है तो हमने ऊपर डायरेक्ट माइनस कर दिया. नाउ वी नो sin square थीटा प्लस cos square थीटा इज इक्वल्स टू 1. अब हमें यहाँ पे क्या पूछा है, sin square minus 1. सो sin square थीटा minus 1 एंड कॉस अगर उधर चला जाएगा तो ये माइनस कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा हो जाएगा. सो इट इज़ माइनस कॉस स्क्वायर ए अपॉन कॉस स्क्वायर ए विच इज़ इक्वल्स टू -1. सो ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. नाउ क्वेश्चन थर्ड. In this we are asked to find the values of a and b. This is a 2 marker question. So we are given tan a plus b and tan a minus b. Okay, let me just erase this so that we get some space to solve the question. So tan a plus b is equals to 1 and tan a minus b is equals to 1 upon √3. Now 1 can be written as 1. आपको पता है tan के रेशियो में 1 की वैल्यू कहाँ पे आती है, tan 45 पे, और 1 अपॉन √3 की वैल्यू कहाँ पे आती है, tan 30 डिग्री पे. सो tan a प्लस बी इज इक्वल्स टू tan 45 डिग्री, tan a माइनस बी इज इक्वल्स टू 30 डिग्री. फ्रॉम दिस द रेशियो इज इक्वल. नाउ इफ वी इक्वेट द एंगल्स, a प्लस बी इज इक्वल्स टू 45 डिग्री, a माइनस बी इज इक्वल्स टू 30 डिग्री. Okay, now on adding both, we'll add both. Okay, plus b minus b. Okay, leave it. A plus b plus a minus b is equals to 45 degree plus 30 degree. Plus minus plus b and minus b gets cancelled, so 2a comes out to be 75 degree. Now what is the value of a? 75 upon 2, which is equals to 37.5 degrees. Okay, third question is done. Now fourth question. In fourth question we are asked to prove tan 45 is equals to 1. This we have to prove geometrically. So let me tell you, whenever you are asked to prove 30 degree or 60 degree angles, you take equilateral triangle, the help of equilateral triangle. And whenever you are asked to prove 45 degree, you take isosceles triangles. Okay, now let's start proving this. Take an isosceles triangle a b c, where ab is equals to bc. This is b is 90 degree. So by angle sum property we know angle a plus angle c plus angle b is equals to 180 degree. This is 90 degree. So angle a plus angle c is equals to 90 degree. Now angles opposite to equal sides are equal. AB is equal, wait, let me change the color. AB is equals to BC. Both the sides are equal. So angle A is equals to angle C. Since AB is equals to BC. Therefore, angle A is equals to angle C. So, twice of angle A is equals to 90 degree. Angle A is equals to 90 upon 2, 45 degree. Similarly, angle C is equals to 45 degree. Okay. And we know since this is equal, let this be X and this be X. Okay. These are 45 degree and 45 degree. Now, by Pythagoras, AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. So AC square is equals to X square plus X square, which is equals to 2X square. So AC is equals to under root of 2X square, which is equals to root 2X. So this is root 2X. Okay. Now we have to find tan 45. Tan 45 degree. Let's suppose we take this 45 degree. Okay. This 45 degree. Tan 45. Tan is perpendicular upon base. For this 45, the perpendicular is this, which is X, which is AB, and the base is BC, which is X upon X, which is equals to 1. So, hence proved. Okay. Now, coming to the next question, in which we are asked to prove that this is equals to this. This is a 3-marker question, and let me tell you, whenever you are given any other ratio except sine and cos, try converting all the other ratios in sine and cos. Okay, so let's start with LHS. By default, you always have to start with LHS. Okay, so 1 plus cot is, we know cot theta is cos theta upon sine theta, and tan theta is sine theta upon cos theta. So 1 plus cos square theta upon sine square theta A. Okay, they have used A. 1 plus sine square A upon cos square A. Okay, so by taking LCM, sine square A plus cos square A upon sine square A, again cos square A plus sine square A upon cos square A. Sine square A and cos square A, sine square A plus cos square A is 1. So 1 upon sine square A upon 1 upon cos square A. Now like this we multiply. So cos square A will come up and sine square A in the denominator, which is equals to, we know, cot square A. LHS is cot square A only. So let us just solve RHS now. Leave it. 1 minus cos A upon sin A. 1 minus sin A upon cos A. So which is sin A minus cos A upon sin A, and cos A minus sin A upon cos A. Don't forget the square. So all of this is in whole square. Cos square A, sin A minus cos A whole square, sin square A, cos A minus sin A whole square. Okay. Let me just erase this part. Now I am solving above with different color. Okay, so that you don't get confused. So we are here. This is cos square A minus cos A minus sin A whole square upon sin square A cos A minus sin A whole square. So it gets cancelled. Okay, and cos A upon sin A is cot square A. So LHS is equals to RHS. This question is also done. Okay. Now this question. 6th question. In 6th question, we are asked to find an acute angle. Oh, the question is incomplete. They have not given the angle A. Suppose if A is an acute angle and 7 plus 4 sin A is given to be 9, so we have to find out the value of A. So we are given 7 plus 4 sin A is equals to 9. 4 sin A is equals to 9 minus 7, which is equals to 2. Sin A is equals to 2 by 4, which is equals to 1. Now at which angle does sine attain 1 by 2 value? It is 30 degree. So the answer is 30 degree. Okay. So tan is sine square theta upon cos square theta minus 1 upon cos theta. Secant is also 1 upon cos theta. So which is equals to sine square theta upon cos square theta minus 1 upon cos square theta. So sine square theta minus 1 upon cos square theta. Okay, earlier we had discussed, this is the similar question, I guess. This form only. See, tan square minus 1 upon cos square. This is also tan square minus 1 upon cos square. So which is minus 1. Minus 1 is the correct answer. Now, question number 8. X cos 60 degree plus y cos 0 degree plus sin 30 degree cos 45 degree. Okay, so we just have to put the value. X cos 60 is 1 upon 2 plus y cos 0 is 1 plus sin 30 is 1 upon 2. It's 1 upon 2. Cos 45 is 1 upon root 2, which is equals to 5. Okay. So x by 2 plus y plus 1 upon 2 root 2 is equals to 5. We need x plus 2y. Okay. So you can multiply the denominator by 2. Multiply the, numerator by 2. So it will be 2x by 2 plus 2y प्लस 2 अपॉन 2 रूट 2. मेक श्योर कि जब आप LHS में मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो RHS में मल्टीप्लाई करना मत भूलना. 5 2s are 10. So this 2 gets cancelled, this 2 gets cancelled. Okay. Now we have got x plus 2y. Okay. I think there is some mistake in this question. Oh, I made a mistake. This is not cos 45, this is cot 45. And cot 45 is 1. So please pardon me, this root 2 will not come here. Okay, let me just remove this root 2. This root 2 will not come here. Okay, now this is 1 is equals to 10. So which is 10 minus 1. X plus 2y is 10 minus 1. Is it plus 1? Yes, it's plus 1. So the answer will be 9. I hope you all have understood this question. Yes. Now, erasing this question. Now let's move to the next question, which is the 9th question. Tan 60 is root 3. So root 3 square. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 square plus cos 30 is again root 3 by 2. So now root 3 square is 3. This is 3 by 2, 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4. 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Denominator I am solving. Which is 6 by 4, which is 3 by 2. 3 upon 3 by 2. This 2 goes above. 3 into 2 by 3, which is equals to 2. The answer is 2. Okay. Now coming to the next question, which is the 10th question. A 3-marker question it is. Tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta upon 1 minus tan theta. Okay, let's start with the LHS first. Tenth question. Tan is sin theta upon cos theta. Cot is cos theta upon sin theta. Plus cos theta upon sin theta. 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta. So sin theta by cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta, plus cos theta upon sin theta, cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta. Okay, now this is how it gets multiplied. So sin square theta upon cos theta sin theta minus cos theta plus cos square theta sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. Okay, now we can take cos theta minus sin theta or sin theta minus cos theta common from the denominator. Okay, sin square theta, first let's take common. 1 upon sin theta minus cos theta is what we have taken common. So here we are left with sin square theta upon cos theta minus cos square theta upon sin theta. Okay, why minus? Because here it was cos theta minus sin theta, and what we have taken common is sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, because we have taken minus common first of all, then this becomes sin theta minus cos theta, which we have taken common. Now taking the LCM, 1 upon sin theta minus cos theta sin cube theta minus cos cube theta upon sin theta cos theta. Okay, I hope it's clear till now. Now we'll open this formula, a cube minus b cube, which is equals to a minus b first bracket, and in the next bracket multiplied by a square plus b square minus ab, plus ab. So finally it is equals to 1 upon sin theta minus cos theta sin theta minus cos theta sin square theta plus cos square theta plus sin theta cos theta upon sin theta cos theta. So this gets cancelled, and we know sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So this is 1 plus sin theta cos theta upon sin theta cos theta. So 1 upon, now we'll separate it. Okay, 1 upon sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta upon sin theta cos theta. So this becomes 1, and this becomes 1 upon sin theta into 1 upon cos theta, which is 1 upon sin is cosecant theta and 1 upon cos is secant theta. So finally it becomes 1 plus secant theta cosecant theta, okay, which is equals to RHS. C. Okay, this was a very long question. Okay, hence it was for 3 marks. I hope you understood this question. Now we'll move on to the next question, the last question for 3 marks. In this we have to prove that sin theta plus cos theta upon sin theta minus cos theta plus sin theta minus cos theta upon sin theta plus cos theta, what a confusion, is equals to 2 upon 2 sin square theta minus 1. Okay, like always we'll start with the RHS and move to the LHS. Start with the LHS and move to the RHS. Sin theta plus cos theta, and this sin A plus cos A upon sin A minus cos A plus sin A minus cos A upon sin A plus cos A. Taking the LCM, sin A plus cos A sin A minus cos A sin A plus cos A whole square plus sin A minus cos A whole square. Now we'll open it. Sin square A plus cos square A plus 2 sin A cos A plus sin square A plus cos square A minus 2 sin A cos A upon sin square A minus cos square a square minus b square formula we have used. Now this is equals to 1 plus 2 sin a cos a gets cancelled with minus 2 sin a cos a, and this again is equals to 1. Okay, now in RHS, so basically we have sin square a, so we need to eliminate this cos square a. We know sin square a plus cos square a is equals to 1. So to eliminate cos square a, we'll write cos square a is equals to 1 minus sin square a. Okay, so now the numerator becomes 1, this got cancelled, this one and this also got cancelled. Sin square a as it is, take minus common. Now cos square a will be written as 1 minus sin square a, which is equals to 2 upon sin square a minus 1 plus sin square a. So which is 2 upon 2 sin square a minus 1, which is equals to RHS. Hence proved. So we have done 11 questions. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.